truck then. Taxi driver. Hello.
Alam mo yun?
Oh, very well, thank you. Hello.
Hi there. My husband.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
I think it's cold. That's why we.
Yeah, I feel cold.
Wow! You need to take your coat off.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
And you.
Finally! Why don't you just remove this? Are you cold?
Thank you. Ano na, natanggalin ko na nga naka-long sleeve. I'm wearing long sleeve po din. Wow, sosyal.
Yeah.
Malit ka talaga.
Put your coats in the back there.
Oh, yeah.
You might be hot.
Tinan mo na ka.
Yeah. Oh my god. Where have you been? Have you been to a cold country?
How are you? You alright?
Did you came from a cold country?
Huh?
Did you came from a cold country? Alaska or something?
It's hot.
Uy, pareho tayo naka-blue. Oh my god. There you go.
Ng iyong car.
Huh?
Wow, yayamanin. Hi, Dave. Oh,
Hi.
very nice place. And nice your car.
Tutukan tayong dalawa.
Dave, we met to each other.
It's the first time,
Yeah,
isn't it?
thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
And like nice to meet both of you. It really is.
Yes,
Great
when
pleasure.
you just on the phone, right?
Yeah.
Gwapo pala eh.
Oh, you know what Helen said? Guapo.
No, guapo.
You're guapo.
Guapo, yeah.
You're handsome.
Oh, thank you.
You love that, don't you?
I love that, yeah. Well, you're Maganda.
Oh, well done, Charlie. Well done.
Patty.
No, don't be silly. You are not. Yeah, today is a really nice weather, so I didn't
came
go
from
out.
Alaska.
See. Hello, vlog.
Hi. Uy, naka-vlog pala ako. Hello.
I don't know if. Oh, yeah. I thought I forgot to press the record button.
Wow.
Yung nag-vlog, ibinablog.
Lugar.
Paynton.
Paynton.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi. Ang lamig. Pero mawawala yung lamig na to.
Pag naglakad ka na. Tama yan. Kapag ano, mamaya tanggalin mo ulit. Ayan yung mag-asawang ala Dan and Joy. ala Dan and Joy.
Woohoo, it's really good.
Pumunta na kami dyan ni Luis noon sa taas. Kasi mahangin.
Kinukutik-tik ako malamig.
Hello. Ano muna natin. Say hello to my vlog.
Welcome.
Yung vlogger vlog. Ayan yung bahay namin. Pag Christmas, yung train na dumadaan dito, decorated ng Christmas lights.
Oh,
Fully decorated. Yung pag Christmas, oo.
wow naman. Punta tayo dito. Pasarap nga kung nandito kayo. Dito kami magpas.
Oo nga sis. Video. Ang ganda ng ano, no? Ang ganda ng tunog ng ano, ng dagat, yung waves. Parang very relaxing yung waves. Nalulula ka?
Para
Over ka? Hawak ka.
Shout out! Kaya sa lipat pa
Careful. I-upload ko to para may viral ako. Gawin kitang viral. Sis, be careful. Careful, sis. Welcome to Paignton. Gusto mo dito?
I like it.
Nakakita ako ng vlogger, yun oh. Oops, sorry sis.
Sis,
Tired? Hello, Mr. Vlogger. Pahayahay ka dyan, sis. Exercise ka rin.
may ano rin tayo ilang oras ano may oras.
Naiwan mo pa yung jogging pants mo? Kung hindi, bigay bawi ako. Bigay bawi. Bye-bye. Love you both. Sige na, sige na. Kasi ano, baka mamaya, mahata ko, may uwi ko kayo uli eh. Mahata ko kayo pabalik.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you. Bye. Ingat.
Bye, sis.
Bye.